about clot. Listen to me. Today I will fire you. Yeah, in the name of Jesus. In the name of Jesus.
ngo giceceke ndashaka kubereka nta muntu uratanga gift
In the name of Jesus.
ngo giceceke ndashaka kubereka nta muntu uratanga gift ariko murebe nane umwegakazi uburetse gato umwegakazi yagutanga indabo umwegakazi stop thank you ntaje muntu utanga gift iyo ndi wereka gutanga amarozezi mureke gutanga roses mureke ikintu mbabwira mutapinge screen gusa murebe ahantu tugeze mutapinge screen murabona gutapinga ukuntu biri guhindura imibare hari hejuru iyo turi benshi abantu bagatapinga tap yawe itanga amafaranga uburi kumpa amafaranga so urabona ko tugeze kuri 200 n'udutima tubiri ubwo na amadolari angahe mu mpaye bivuye muri izo tap zanyu ndi gukina game so ngaho mushiremo amarozezi sasa buri muntu natanga ikintu afite murabona ikintu babwira tap zanyu iyo turi gutapinga zirafasha guys tap the screen tap zanyu iyo turi benshi zirafasha hanyuma none musharinge live
Batty boy tapping nice pussy tapping nice so good boy tapping nice boy your name blood clot God you walk on your pussy like a dog your blood clot teeth them in your head shall I go on a pussy wall name fuck Batty boy they use God name make blood clot pass I rebuke in the name of Jesus the Lord is my light and my salvation who shall pussy tapping nice for me score so good boy don't make no noise my day today your name fuck like a dog, your name out the wall like girl and pussy like a weird plate. Thinking boy, boy, your name God. God I go beat your blood clot, boy, you use my name make pass. Tapping nice, Batty boy. Let me this your name fuck boy. You think all the while you go this way. So good. Today my day, me I done you. Remember your name out the Sabrina pussy like a weird plate. Move your nasty thinking blood clot self for yourself. So good boy, your name blood clot. God I go beat you if they walk up and down with the name all fast. Hey boy, if you talk one more time, it thump your phone. So good boy. Look at your blood clot more lean, your name God. Stinking drunkro. Boy, we bleed at what? Tapping eyes. If you talk, hey boy, you me see if you change your name Batty Wall. Your name God. What ya? Batty boy, you see if you tapping eyes. Thank you no chat, beg on no things. But with this the Batty boy name God, I rebuke in the name of Jesus. I rebuke you if you change that name. Your name is Blood Clot Batty Nyama. From today, what you have your name? Batty Nyama. Batty Nyama your name. You're more lean no blood clot by your name, God. Your frowns like a dog. You smell like a bun onion and you mix up with garlic, with pimento seed. Your frowns and stink no blood clot by your
guys, agachecheka.
Batty boy, tapping eyes. Stinking mouth boy, tapping eyes. No talk for me score. So good. No talk. Remember your blood clot so cocky if you brush teeth, you know, pussy, no rampant. No nice. No, I know what you say. Stay silent. Wash up my plate them. My side, put up score.
That's nice.
Wash up my blood. Batty boy, I hear me see if it tapping eyes. My side, push up his score now. Mighty God. Oh, your name blood clot God. We are going to lick Psalms 91 upon you. And we are going to lick Psalms 23. And we are going to lick Psalms blood clot 85. And we are going to lick you down with Matthew. Pay Psalms they are killer with. My side push up his score. We are get down his Satan. This a false prophet. And them a boy and name out with money, but them a obia man. Them a wicked. God I go beat them. My side push up his score. Me rascal, me want help. My side help. Me love. Let me finish wash up my plate. Hey boy, not talking. Not talking about the boy. My side push up his score. Me blood clot. My side push up his score.
Mute your mic. Shut the fuck up.
Thank you so much. Shut the fuck up. Mute your nonsense mic, bitch. Listen to me. Do not pray with me with the ugly face. Come over here. Come over here. Bring that. Hey! Chimpanzee, come over here. See the way you look. See your motherfucker. Come over here. Bring your face.
Oh, God.
You fucking
And that you know,
listen to me.
Don't.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Janet. You fucking talk to me too much. Shut the fuck up. Just mute your nonsense mic. Nonsense. Stupid. Agree face as fuck. Accept. Then shut the fuck up. Mute. You see, on 0. Shut the fuck up. Mute your nonsense mic. Stupid.
On my side, help me there. Do.
Hey! Hey!
But 1,000, 500
Listen.
points, you know.
Listen.
We can't talk, party boy.
Okay, on 500. Guys, guys, I didn't
My
want
side, beg me for 3 times, and no, please. My side, beg me sometime.
Anybody,
My
guys,
side,
I
beg me.
didn't barakuwa gatatu niba mukubira ntanzibya ntabwo nemere kuvuga arusha bakoyide guys ngomba nimutanga 500 araceceka ntanga 500 ndaceceka guys twagiye mu dropping ikintu cyose mufite bombocrat hey
Yetim,
can you go back to do hey I want to send you to zoo where you belong ah chimpanzee gorilla
timeline.
shut the fuck up.
Oi!
Hey
God.
hey listen, I will go shut the fuck up. Nonsense. All right, where's your nyashi? Where's your bob? You don't have it? Can you turn around? Jesus, what's wrong with your nyashi? You don't have ass? Can you turn around? Yeah.
Yetim. My side, you know, can't make me this batty
Hey,
boy.
hey.
Cheer up my side.
Mute your mic. Mute your nonsense mic. Nonsense. Stupid. Guys, it's 3 roses. It's chi. Guys, 3 roses. Mputu rosa. Hey!
Come like this, a boy, I will be a trigger down for me. Make you win him.
Hey!
My side, you know, go make you fast profit beat me up. You know, no God, you know. Just I use him and name make excuse. My side, 3 roses. My love. Afraid I fast profit. I will get level up. Junior level up, thanks. My side, come no man and tap make it dirty nasty drunk.
Hey, bitch. The fuck up, guys. Barakuwa gatatu. Guys, barakuwa gatatu. Oh my God. Anybody who can do a miracle, guys, like a galaxy. Agiye. Let's do this together, my people. Let's fuck this bitch to raka. Check here. Hey. Aya. Thank you so much.
Yo. Listen to me now. You come on my match tomorrow.
Yeah. What time?
You come for 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock? Okay. Just send me a link. I will be there. Okay? I'll come support.
Bad man, before me remember if you do that, remember see a friend I don't see no. Bad man, forward.
So let me follow you. Let me follow you now. I will be there. I'll be on your match, okay? You don't follow me, bitch.
Right,
you don't follow me. You don't follow me, motherfucker. You don't follow me. I'm not gonna be there. You don't follow me. So listen to me. Go to hell. Shut the fuck up. Stupid. You don't follow
me. Are we
me.
at the foreign?
You don't follow me.
Follow your pussy, man. I hate it so good, boy.
Come at Jamaica.
Look how I follow you. Look how I follow you. Who don't follow you?
Okay.
Who don't follow you?
I'll be there to support your pussy. Yes, sir. Tomorrow. The 8th. Okay?
Wow, flying jet. We are asking where him there. Where are they? Foreign?
Okay.
Where are you?
America.
All right. Foreign time at 9 o'clock, Jamaican time at 8 o'clock. Make sure you're there.
Okay.
May I look for you, you know?
Yeah, Nyash. 8 o'clock in the morning. Hey, Bombo Clan. 8 o'clock in the morning.
Bad man, me can't beat you. Me done in a chasing with you. Me can't cuss you.
It's gonna be 8 o'clock in the morning or in the night?
What?
8 o'clock in the morning?
No, night, baby, night.
Okay. All right, Bombo Clatty pussy thing. See you, Nyash. So.
Chat, what me could never make God a deal with me. So afraid of
Nah.
I'm a real God, you know. I'm a real God.
So this is the last game. It's gonna be times 2. So this is the last one, okay? I'm going to give you the last one. Tell your people. So this is the last one, okay?
I have to go turn on his soup on my phone. Tell him, say. I have to go turn on his soup on my phone.
Who's sitting?
God, big up yourself. Big up yourself. Big up yourself.
All right.
Make sure you can link me tomorrow.
Yeah. Ndakubwiza ukuri nta ndimi ntazavuga Godfather nakataraza nzakazana. Ni gute mwamburanye iki ko ntacyo ntazaba.